Welcome back. I'm Steve Rand. This is Todd Graff, and this is the Gold Spot. Todd, we've seen gold make a big move over 2,400 here recently, something that we had kind of expected to see, and kind of testing those waters, those upper limits right now. We've seen some retracement, been some profit taking. Those people that bought gold a long time ago are obviously looking to get a little bit out of the market. But where we see things going right now and where big banks see things going right now is really the interesting part.
The traditional financial world, the Wall Street guys, all the big banks, they have predictions on gold prices for this year, for 2024. And before, recently, they were all predicting that gold is going to be going up from where it is, but now they're revising all their expected prices, their predictions. And we're seeing much, much higher prices that these big banks are expecting. For example, both Citibank and Bank of America are expecting $3,000 an ounce gold by the end of 2024, at some point this year. The other banks are varied on their expectations, but the big thing is all these Wall Street firms are unanimous. They all think that gold is going up. So, what other market or what other asset are all these guys in agreement on? I think it's pretty obvious, though, why they're raising their expectations, because they're seeing everything else. They're seeing everything that everybody else is seeing. They're seeing higher inflation. They're seeing, more money printing, more money creation, and they're seeing a lot of things on the horizon that are going to be bad for the U.S. dollar. It's pretty obvious at this point. Other countries are seeing it, Wall Street firms are seeing it, and individual people are seeing it too, if they're paying attention, if they're watching what's really going on. And I know your clients are seeing this too, on a day-to-day basis. They're seeing all these threats to the US dollar. I'm sure you can add to that.
No question. And then you've obviously got this war in the Middle East that's kind of continuing to build momentum in a bad way. Who knows how far that's going to go and how far it's going to spread. You get the problems still going on in Ukraine and Russia, and you've got still that threat of Taiwan and China. But I was reading an article just yesterday talking about the number of the income that people have to make to feel comfortable or live comfortably in the United States. And for a single person, it's over $96,000 a year now, with cost of living and inflation running at these levels. For a family of four, it's $235,000 to live comfortably. I mean, those numbers are just staggering to think. And you got to wonder how many people are not living paycheck to paycheck because they can't afford to do that. And it's not going to get any better as the government continues to print money. So we're in this situation right now. Big banks are all seeing the price of gold going much, much higher. I think if you don't see what's happening right now, you might need to just kind of take a look at the fundamentals and realize that this problem isn't going away anytime soon. Give us a call. Let us help you to be able to get a little bit of understanding as how we can help. And we'll see you next time on the Gold Spot.
If you enjoyed today's Gold Spot, like or subscribe to both our YouTube or our Rumble channels. Also, comment below if you have any questions or if you want to hear us talk about something specific in a future video.